How to fix the cannot connect to the App Store on your iPad. So if you can't connect to the App Store or you're just seeing a loading symbol, I'll show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now, the first step is you need to unlock your iPad like this. Use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of the page, and you should see your control center like so. Now go and toggle on the airplane mode and leave this on for around about 10 seconds. Once 10 seconds have passed, you can then try turning off the airplane mode and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, then go and load up the settings on your iPad. Now from the left hand side, scroll down and click on General. Scroll down again and select VPN and Device Management. Now if you're currently connected to a VPN, you'll need to go and disconnect from this now. So it should say not connected next to the VPN like this. Once you've done this, come back over to the General Settings and then scroll up and click on Date and Time. Now make sure Set Automatically is switched on like this. And then once again, come back over to the main General page. Scroll right down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPad. Click on Reset and press Reset Network Settings. You may need to enter your iPad's passcode to confirm these changes. And once you've done all of this, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So you can just come back over to your Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Once you've done this, open up the App Store and check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then go and open back up the settings on your iPad. Click on your profile name at the top of the screen, and then just scroll all the way down and press Sign Out. You can then continue to sign out of your Apple account. Once you've completely signed out, you can sign back into the account. You can then try opening up the App Store and you should now be able to see your apps.